I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent. Thank you for choosing Apple Support. You're speaking with teacher. How can I help you?
Yes, I just got a call from saying my Apple account has been hijacked.
Sir, this call was transferred to me. So can you just tell me, did you receive an automated call or you had a conversation with an Apple agent?
I just received an automated call on my cell phone.
Okay. So, sir, let me just explain you. That automated call was from the Apple India department. And about this security breach, it means someone is using your Apple account from two different locations.
Oh
I
my.
found some suspicious activity. Yeah. So can you just tell me, are you using this Apple account from Alaska and Florida?
I'm sorry?
So are you the one who is using this account from Alaska and Florida?
A laptop, I guess. What the world? They just hung up. Oh man, I was gonna have fun with them. Dadgum. Well, that was short. Guys, don't waste your time with scammers. So, I got a call on my cell phone from an 800 number. And today I've been paying attention to my cell phone because the power company is out replacing our electric meters with new ones, and I might get a call from them. I don't know. So I answered this phone call, and it started up with the automated message. And unfortunately, I couldn't get that on video because I was rushing to get this camera so that way I could film. But no, I didn't make any phone calls myself or nothing like that. But they just got an automated call, and it said after it went through its little thing about your Apple account being hijacked and this and that, it said press 1 to speak with a representative. So I pressed 1, and it connected me with this guy, and you obviously could tell from the Indian accent, and just randomly hanging up when you don't answer a question right, you know it's a scam because they don't want you to waste their time. That's it. If they have a feeling that something ain't right with this phone call, they'll just hang up and take the next one. They'll hopefully scam somebody. So yeah, be vigilant and watch out for these guys because they're up to no good. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that's it for this video. But don't forget, there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to keep your channel. And also, don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.